Hello everyone, this is day 2 of Mandarake openings. I like Mandarake. Mandarake is good. I bought most of my figures from there. No, actually not most. I have given Mandarake a lot of money. Cause I like their company. I like what they do. They buy back the shit you don't want, and they sell it to people who do want it. Because one man's cum stained figure is another man's treasure, you know? Cum dump, I guess, would have been the better word, but it's all the same. Oh, Japanese newspaper, how I love thee. Hello, Yuchuta. Hello. This is in plastic. Hello. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap in paper. Bubble wrap in the paper. Hello. I guess I'll take these, the ones that don't belong to me out of their bubble wrap and just show off the packaging. I won't actually open them. This one is for my friend Never Feather. He'll never get Dog Days Season 3. Wow, these are kind of heavy for Biscuity, Wishy Road. High grade. Damn, dude, 1/144 of Biscuity. Oh, there you have it, your bunch of cards things. For my friend Chazzy Chaz. I'm opening this. It's from Fose. Ikose. Oh yeah. What we got? We have Jumping Chainsaw. Speaking of chainsaw, I got the lock. I got the Switch chainsaw. Parachute. You got all the bunch of switches. I don't know what that pink one is. Oh, rockets. Chainsaw, jumping, and parachute. Simple style. And heroic action. There you go. That's your fucking thing. And this one. Oh, man. For my other friend, who likes JoJo, kinda. I'm trying to be careful with this one. It's difficult. I'm so scared. I am ham hands Shizu, so JoJo Bizarre's Adventure, Ultra Violence brand. It's pretty shiny. Yeah. Wanna say? Yeah. Haha! I don't know what to say, but it's shiny as hell. I'll say that much. It's shiny as friggin' hell. And let's see. Shit. And the thing. Woohoo! What's the matter? Yeah. And lastly, books. Art books. Books of art. Ugh. 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 This is taped. So fuck it. We'll knife it. There you go. Woo. 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 You know what? Fuck it. Headphone girls. Gundam girls. Fuck y'all.